Are you plagued with poor health and pain? Are you battling an illness or disease? Are you out of shape and overweight? If you have answered yes to any of these questions and are looking for a way to improve your overall health, you should create a health or weight loss vision board. A vision board is a visualization tool that helps focus your mind towards reaching your goals. Creating a vision board will help to increase an emotional connection and mental activity opportunities to help attain self-improvement and fulfillment you desire in your life. Studies reveal that the act of visualizing what you want helps to improve motivation, concentration and achievement. A vision board helps you establish a private sacred space that helps you target your goals. A vision board is only as beneficial as the work you're willing to put into it, so commit to making your vision board as thorough, exciting and detailed as possible. So today viewers, we will focus on achieving our health and fitness goals with a vision board. Welcome to our channel, Unhealthy to Healing. Our videos provide information on healthier foods and beverages, natural supplements, solutions, techniques and treatments to help and improve various health conditions. If you find value in this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. The more subscribers we get, the better and more content we can keep creating. Also click the bell icon to be notified immediately when we release a new helpful video. Click on the subscribe button below this video. Disclaimer. All information provided on our channel Unhealthy to Healing and our videos are for educational purposes only, and should not be considered as professional advice. Our goal is to provide accurate, thorough and to the point content. We are not a licensed professional and encourage our viewers to seek a licensed professional and/or consult your doctor. Okay viewers, let's have fun creating and achieving our health and weight loss goals with a vision board. The first thing we need to do is get a big poster board or a bulletin board and then start gathering your inspirational material. To help you improve your health, include pictures of yourself before the days of pain and illness that will remind you of how good life was and can be again. Your body will be flooded with feel-good hormones, called neurochemicals, that will help relieve pain and help your body heal. Medical updates and recommendations from your doctor and positive affirmations should go on your vision board as well. You can also include pictures from magazines of favorite people or celebrities' physiques that you'd like to achieve personally, meaningful words, quotes and pictures from books that inspire or motivate you. If something is significant or of meaning to you, a vision board can help keep you focused. It will be a constant reminder of your health and fitness goals. Continue to take photographs of yourself every month. As you lose weight or your health improves, place the photos reflecting your progress. Another tip is to wear the same clothes each month for the photo. And as you lose weight, you'll see the clothes becoming loose and then baggy. This is another great way to keep motivated by seeing how far you've come. Include a photograph of you at a smaller body size. Cut out a photo with a body size you'd like as your own goal. Put your face on that body for a motivating visual. If you want to exercise more aerobically or do resistance training, cut out photographs of these exercises that motivate you. They can be of someone with a toned body, someone exercising, hiking, walking or running, or any other photographs inspiring to you. Make a graph of your starting weight and keep track of your progress. Show your goal weight as well so you see yourself moving closer and closer to it on your vision board. The great thing about a vision board is that it never stays the same. It is ever changing to help you cross off goals and establish new ones. When you achieve something, cross it off or take it off and replace it with the next thing you desire. The idea is that there is constant stream of motivation and change. Be creative, think positive and think outside the box in whatever you place on your health or weight loss vision board. When it comes to any goals and success, see it to believe it. And when you see it, you can be it. And viewers, that concludes our video today on achieving our health and weight loss goals with a vision board. And please viewers, keep us posted on how your vision board benefits your life by typing Unhealthy to Healing in the comments and sharing your story. We would love to hear from you. And as always, strive for better health, continue to be safe, happy and healthier. We look forward to seeing you at our next video.